Where are you at?
What?
Say hi.
What up?
What up? Jess is gonna paint the motor. Good afternoon, everybody. And it's Craig here again. Tried using a selfie stick, so we'll see if this works a little better. Anyway, I'm working on a 350 that I pulled out of a 84 Corvette, and I'll flip it around and show you. There it is. It's in pieces. I'm putting a new rear seal on it. I'm going to reseal the pans. I'm pretty much going to reseal everything on it. I do not know if, well, it did run, let's put it that way, but I'd never heard it run, so I'm taking a chance here. I'm going to put a new timing chain on it because it's got the original one on it. The motor supposedly only has 50,000 miles on it, but to be brutally honest, I couldn't tell you if it does or doesn't. And really, I don't really care. But it looks good. I pulled the main cap off, and I'll flip it around here and show you what it looks like. Let's see what we got here. Here's the main cap, main bearing. I probably should put rebearing it, but we're not going to. Here's the oil pump, which I got an oil pump for. What else do I have? Oh, that's about it right now. Here's the transmission that came out of the other car. It was an 84 too, it was a parts car. So I gave it to a friend of mine, and he might do some YouTube videos on it. We'll see where it goes. And let's see here, there we are down there. But this is what I'm working on today. So in the next few hours, I hope to have most of this put together, and I'll get back with you guys on my progress. I'm back. See, I flip it around here. There I am. Yeah, Craig back. Okay, we got the rear seal in, and I got a timing chain put on it, so I'll show you that real quick. Ta-da! There we are. This selfie stick is pretty freaking cool. Anyway, and roll on over here, and look at that. Timing chain is on. Believe it or not, it's on crack. That was fun. It wasn't that bad, actually. So now what I'm working on is the oil pump, and then we'll put the pan on, do some cleaning, and hopefully we'll have it all put together. So far so good. Turns. Means I didn't screw it up. I do have a little bit of rust there. This motor sat for a while, obviously. But you know, I'm not going to worry about it. It'll be fine. It's a Chevy V8. You can't kill them. I'm back. Well, I got more progress done. Check this out. Well, I didn't replace the oil pump because this didn't fit in it very well, so I just put the old one back on it. We'll take a chance. Clean this up. Get that cleaned up. Getting ready to put the pan on after I clean all of that up. By the way, if you want anything that cleans grease, Dawn dishwashing soap works fantastic. It works actually better than what do you want to call it? Parts cleaner. But anyway, that's this. I gotta tighten these up one more, a little bit more. I gotta torque that, and the pan will be going on. So I made this up. Timing chain's on, torqued. I think I said that already. Let's just hope it works like it's supposed to. I'm taking a big chance on this because all the work you got to put into this thing, I do not know if it even runs. Supposedly it ran, did turn over, so we'll see. Oh, welcome back. Well, let me move my phone here. The pan is on, and check this. I had a little bit of bling to it. It came with the car when I got it, so a little bit of chrome, only because what the heck, why not? Where are you at?
What?
Say hi.
What up?
What up? Jess is gonna paint the motor
with no mask or any protection.
Wow,
because
wow.
We're in America.
We're in America.
You don't believe in protection.
She got the glasses on. Don't worry, we got plenty of ventilation. Are you using? Okay, cool.
It's black. Trust me.
Cool. Yeah, don't worry about the wire. Just paint over it. Just,
who cares?
Just get the side of the block. There you go.
You want this?
Yep, all that. Don't worry about that. Just paint it. Factory didn't care.
Well,
There you go. Don't worry about it. You're good. Don't worry about the inside. It'll all burn out when we fire it up.
oh, I know that.
So just get a good light coat on it and then come around to the front. Okay, good.
That's what I'm gonna do.
You can get a little bit more heavy on
I'm
that.
trying to see.
Okay. I'll give you a light if you want one.
Because my sunglasses are too dark.
Well,
No, I'm kidding.
you want to do
Hey,
it?
hey.
Okay. There you go. Don't be afraid to paint it.
I'm a girl. I have technique unlike you.
Oh, wow.
Don't be a hater.
Not a hater.
You are hating.
Paint over the grease. All of it.
Hush.
This is Craigslist rebuild. Very good.
You don't want that painted.
I don't care about that. Just get that part. There you go.
That's what I'm trying
Only
to
the
do.
cylinder head. Yep, right there. Good.
Hey,
Wow.
stop giving me tips I already know. The tip.
Just go right along here and top.
I'm looking.
It's not heat paint anyway, so it'll burn off anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Well, that means it'll take the grease right off
It
with
doesn't matter. It's been cleaned at like 3-4 different times, so I just want it black. Okay. There we go.
I just want it all one color.
I do. It's supposed to be black from the. Okay. You good?
Not the chrome.
Don't worry about the chrome. I can take
Oh,
it. I can take it
whoa.
out. Don't worry about it. It's got. Don't worry about that either. 'Cause
Hey, I'm trying not to get the chrome.
Okay.
Good lord. Again, I'm a woman, not a man.
That you are. Ooh, it smells like. Going ahead. You're good. Go. Don't. You can't hurt nothing.
That's chrome.
Don't worry. I got double aught stainless steel. Will take care of that. There you go. Good job. Looks good.
I love painting shit. Hey, don't step on my toes.
I'm not. Well, looks good.
Very vulnerable right
Look
now.
good. Looks good. Very good. Just do a light coat and go around. You can do that. You can
That's
spray.
chrome.
No, it's not. It's
What
just
is
gasket.
That's
It's
no way.
gasket.
That's gasket.
It's gasket. Just paint it. Don't worry about it. There you go. Let that dry. My daughter's painting.
I love painting.
See how this told her go for it.
Autism.
By the way, we're using the prescribed stuff, which is not heat paint. It's like the cheapest paint you can buy.
Hold on. It is. We
Val's-
can't say the real name, but as you can see,
You can say the real name. But
no, you can't.
We're not sponsored by it. That's
Not
for sure.
sponsored, but it's Valspar Basic Colors Glass.
It's black.
Interior and exterior, used on wood and metal.
There you go.
Fast dry. Don't add us. I watched it.
I already power washed it. Don't worry about that. We'll clean it up.
When it starts it up, it's gonna be like.
Oh, and all kinds of crap in it. Yeah, I'm not ready. If it even runs, we don't even know if it runs. Get the side of the block. There you go. You're good.
Oh, what's touching me?
I don't know.
My keychain. Do you want this black?
Yeah, paint it.
Bro!
Everything black. I don't care.
Oh my god.
I just want it black.
Heating.
It doesn't matter.
So you can't see any of the bolts that you pull out?
I
And you're
don't.
just
I
like,
didn't
oh my
take.
god, what is this?
I didn't take those out. You can do the whole thing slowly. Just swath it.
It needs to dry, like you said.
Okay, there, like that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. Wow, that's. Whew.
Yeah.
Okay, come around.
Man's technique doesn't work.
So it's looking good. Looking good. Not bad. Not bad. We I washed it with. What was that stuff? Dawn
You washed
power
it.
wash.
You washed it with Hope and Dreams.
That I did.
Hope and Dreams.
We have hope and dreams that run. Anyway.
No, that's the other one that died. That's the one that the.
No,
Opti
the
went out.
95 is fine. Just
No, it isn't.
It needs an Opti. Well, you drove it, not me.
Yeah, and then you and my boyfriend were giving me crap, being like, you broke it. Yeah, okay.
Because you drive it every day.
Yeah, well that doesn't. How do I break an off?
So
I don't know.
You can get all that there.
Brother, what?
Just do the whole thing. That works. Okay.
Happy now?
As happy as it can be.
Stream. You wanted me to paint this thing.
Yeah.
It's
paint
already black.
But painted it.
It's gonna get all
grimy. Want me to show you how to do it?
No, it's gonna get all grimy.
I don't care.
It's already black and nice.
It's gonna look wonderful when it's all done.
No, it'll look more.
It's looking good, actually. You're looking good.
I don't know.
So, go. Here, let me show you. Can I show you something? Let me have it.
I'm a pro. Leave me
Let me
alone.
see it from it. Okay. You're good. You're getting it. Do that again. From here to here.
Here?
Yeah. From there to there. Yep. And
want
up
this
and down.
bolt?
I don't care what the bolt. Watch.
What do you
Let
want?
me show you how I'm gonna do it. Watch. Just watch how I do it.
That's what I was doing.
No, you weren't.
Yes, it was.
You were. Yeah. Try that once.
Give me it.
Okay.
Give me it.
Try it like that. Longer. You gotta get up there. There you go, right there. Don't do the head too. Yep.
You graffitied a lot of stuff in childhood, huh?
Obviously not. Yeah, that was me.
Dad was the one who tagged your garage back in the 80s.
That wasn't me, but anyway.
Yes, it was.
Okay, so
I
you
think
can
it's
do
pretty
it.
black.
So do that all there.
How many coats does this need?
It needs a nice, good, heavy coat so it'll burn off. Well, that's not really how I do it, but I'll show you how I would do it. Let me give it here. Watch.
You can't. Well, you won't let me how I do it, and I think my paint job looks pretty rad. I don't know.
Okay, hold on. Here, let me show you how I would do it. Just let me.
Nope.
Okay.
This is my job.
Okay. So I want the whole side there painted.
Why do you want the pan painted?
Don't worry. Paint the pan too.
Why? There's no reason for the pan to get painted.
Just paint the block then.
Only the block needs to be painted.
Okay.
You're gonna regret. You're gonna be like, oh my god, why did I paint the pan? Because look how smooth it is.
Yeah, I know,
It's just gonna peel off, and then you're gonna be like, oh my
I
god.
don't care.
Of course you don't care.
When the cars all put, you're gonna be able to see half the motor anyway with all the wires on.
No, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. That's not the point.
Okay, do the front thing. That's the most important part. Right here and up there. See, right there. There you go. Yep. Very good. Oh, very good. Nice.
Oh, the dad technique.
The dad technique is working.
No, it isn't.
It is.
No.
Don't worry about that. Those get cut. I gotta clean those anyway.
Everything that's covered.
Except for that's where the water pump goes.
Water pump, schmotter pump.
Well, you need a water pump.
No, you don't.
You
You
do.
run on hopes and dreams.
It's not hopes and dreams.
What do you want? You want this?
No,
That's,
here, watch.
that's not.
You see
That
the
can't be
can.
painted. Though.
Yes, it can. Watch.
I just.
Show you.
Jeez.
There you go. Because I'm working on $500 cars.
$500 cars are the best cars I've heard.
Yeah, it's $500.
You're gonna replace this, right?
No, just paint. From the factory it was painted. Who cares?
No. Why is it me?
Just paint it.
Why do you ask so many questions?
That's fine.
Raised in the 80s, you're old. Into the car. See what a banging looking car.
Yeah, it's banging.
Oh,
alright.
oh, and he saw these on the showroom too.
What?
Whoa! What is that? Whose is that?
It's rock.
Oh my gosh!
I did see this. I'm old, yes.
You know.
Obviously, she's gonna, just paint the front. You're good. You got it.
I think it has enough coats on it.
No, let it dry, and we'll come back and get it later.
That's what I'm saying.
Look at that.
We need a taco break. And a
We
Red
are
Bull
looking at
break.
taco break. Okay, we are.
Sponsor us. Please sponsor us. Oh my god. Oh, that would be great.
Craig and Jessica, we're out of here. Hey, say goodbye. Where are you? There you are. Okay,